Grade 5, Unit 4, Lesson 4, page 54, Grammar. When we want to ask about your opinion of certain things, games, books, whatsoever, I use the question, what do you think of this game? What do you think of this game? Say, it's too scary for you. You aren't old enough. Too means very, very. Enough, not to the wanted extent. Okay? For example, I say here, what do you think of this book? Say, it's too difficult, it's too funny, it's too old, it's too short, it's too long, or it's too useful. If you want to ask about just one thing, if you want to ask about more than one thing, say, what do you think of these? For example, books, say they are too difficult, they are too funny, old, short, long, useful. Or it isn't easy enough, it isn't easy enough, it isn't useful enough, it isn't simple enough, modern, exciting, and interesting. The sound f can be written in different forms as f in flower, ph f in photo, ough f in enough. Read aloud those words: enough, cuff, rough, tough. Now fill in the missing letters. Farah had a bad cough. Her father phoned the doctor. After 2 days, she felt well. Her friends bought her a nice gift. It was a photo frame. She was happy. She couldn't thank them enough.